Welcome back, Hot Wheel collectors and diecast enthusiasts. It's been a while since I've made a video, and partially because I haven't been working and I haven't been able to share my hauls. But now I am working, and you'll start to see some haul videos, which are my favorite to do. Share with you my finds out there in the wild. But so now I decided that maybe I'll do one on this. These Superbirds right here, that white car on the left. This is a Johnny Lightning little set, 4-car set. There's some nice little muscle cars in there. There's that white one there with the Goodyear tires. I haven't pulled it out, but I've got plenty to look at here. First one is this Hot Wheel. It's metal flake purple. It's got some kind of not so much racing tampos, I think, as I guess it does got kind of with a Super 8 or the Magic 8 ball with a rat on top of it, and it's not really stock car looking. Not pretty cool with the black hood. There's a purple one. Got this big spoked wheels on it, and black plastic base. And this is another one. Looks like it's the same color, but it's actually a shade lighter. The first one's more of a purple. This one's kind of a light magenta. The same tampos and wheels. Not sure what year these came out, but from Malaysia. And there's another one of those series. There's a nice little silver one. Let me know which one is your favorite color in that metallic. And we got some old Plymouth Superbirds. This one in red. Sorry, just trying to keep it on there. And these are pretty nice. These came out, I think, 2006. Fairly new die casting, but I know they were pretty popular. We have a few variations to look at. These got the black roof and the black plastic base. There's the wheels. They look like the Kragers on them. And let's sure if the hood opens. I don't think it does, but here it is in yellow. My little spinner to do its thing. I like the big Plymouth logo on the back there. There's that one, and then this is a different variation. This is probably a even newer one with those big multi-spoke wheel, and the Plymouth logo on the back is a little bit smaller than on the red one and the yellow one. And these are all Hot Wheel brand. This one has a chrome plastic base. Can't get that focused to see what year it is, but anyhow, there's that. Then I got a couple of Racing Champions brand. This one does have an opening hood. There. It's chrome. And take a look inside. It's red, nice red interior. A little dusty. Yeah, that's Racing Champions. Let's see if there's a year on the chrome one. Anyhow, this one's from 1992. This is another Racing's Champion. That was a blister pull. I don't see a date on the chrome one. That's a pretty nice looking guy there. And let's see if the hood, no hood opening. This has a little blue plastic base. Kind of a cheap one, but cool looking logos on there. The 70s for the year, it's 1970 Plymouth. And then here's an ERTL. And this one does not have the wing, or spoiler, I should say. That's what that's called, that they put on the back. Maybe there was one, there was one on there, so there used to be one. See that little slot right there? There was one that went on there, but this one must have fell off. So that's an ERTL. Gosh, it'd be neat to get one with that on there, so maybe someday I'll find that. Last one I got is this custom. I had a friend of mine, I know these were really popular, that people were collecting at the time, and I thought, you know what, do a custom one and people will probably freak out. And his forte is the whole, what do I want to say, that rusted patina look. And I did the Texaco logo, so much detail, the row bars, the rust, put some Real Rider wheels on it. I think this was actually originally, I think it was the yellow one, which I think he left that door the same and put that Moon logo on there. Let me see. Yeah, I think it was the same. I think it was this one that he customized to make it like that. I'm not sure. But anyhow, then the last piece of these Superbirds is this, I think it's an M2. Let's see if we can, I'll take it out of the case there. And this has an opening hood. 1969 Dodge Charger Hemi. And that is it. That's what we will close this with, and I hope you enjoyed the Superbirds. And happy hunting, everybody, and happy Father's Day. And looking forward to posting some more videos up here soon in the next couple of weeks. So anyhow, meanwhile, I'm looking at your guys' videos when you post them up. I'm enjoying them. So again, happy hunting, and have a great Father's Day.